Hey guys, I just wanted to invite you tonight to Thursday's Theological Throwdown at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel. It'll be Sister Lisa for the Most High Jesus, Brother Jordan, Revivalists for Christ, and Brother Ben and myself are going to be discussing some pretty hardcore subjects. So I'm hoping you guys will join us. Also, Brother Jordan, his channel is Revivalists, plural, for Christ. Revivalists for Christ. He is having a live stream debut at 3 p.m. It's pre-recorded, but it will be a live showing with chat. So if you have not subscribed to Revivalists for Christ, please do and come hang out with us and watch it and chat with us. It's pretty cute. He ended up having us hang out with him after CES Sunday, and we just had a great conversation. So hope to see you there at 3. I'm going to go ahead and put the link for Jordan's thing in the description box. Okay, guys. God bless.